Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect HeroFX to TradeLocker in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on HeroFX. Afterwards, click on the option of login on the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to provide your email address and your password. Then select the option of remember me and click on the option of sign in. Basically, you need to log in into your HeroFX account if you haven't already. Now, TradeLocker accounts are created from inside the HeroFX portal and not directly inside the TradeLocker itself. So when you are inside HeroFX back office, you just have to go to your accounts, then click on the option of create account and then choose the option of TradeLocker as your platform. After that, you need to select the demo or the live account or the account type and the leverage settings. And HeroFX is going to generate the TradeLocker login credentials automatically. So once you have those credentials available, you just have to simply come here on TradeLocker's website. Now, when you are over here, you just have to click on the option of login on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now over here, you just have to provide the login credentials that you have received from HeroFX. So once you provide all of these details over here, you just have to click on the option of login, and this way you will be able to basically connect your HeroFX account with TradeLocker very easily. So thank you.